Hey guys, welcome back to EDG Classics. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be working today on a 2016 Ecoboost Mustang. Specifically what we're going to be doing is replacing the purge valve on the EVAP system. So the reason why we're going to be replacing this guy is because sometimes on this vehicle specifically, what'll happen is when you fill up the car, it will either decide to not start, or it will start but idle very, very low to the point where it will die and you'll have to give it gas yourself. There's a lot of codes that display this, one of them being the P1450 code, or you just may not have a code like on my car, or a check engine light or anything like that. So what I had to do is go out and purchase one of these little fixed sensors right here. What you can do is connect this to your phone, and it's an OBD2 scanner, so it'll tell you pretty much everything that's going on with your car. And it showed me, of course, that P1450 code, which led me to replacing the purge valve. So this specifically is what we're going to be replacing it with. This is the replacement part. I'll put the part number in the description, but pretty much it's a pretty simple replacement. We're just going to have to undo 2 clips, 1 bolt, and then a little sensor right here. Should be pretty easy. Let's go do it real quick. So first off, what we're going to need to do is take off this little plastic engine cover. There's going to be 4 bolts that we're going to have to take off. The front 2 are going to be 8mm, and then the back 2 are going to be 10mm. It'd be really helpful for this step to have an extension on your socket wrench as well. Alright, so now after you get all those bolts undone, this little plastic piece should just pop right off. And now, this is going to be our culprit right here. We're going to be replacing this today. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is there's a red clip right here that we're going to need to pop off. There's this green clip, this sensor I was talking about, and this bolt right here. So for this guy, you just want to pull the little things out and push it up, and it should come off just like this. For the green one, what you're going to want to do is pretty much the same thing. Oh, I gotta get a good look at this. You're going to want to pull these out and push it out. For this green clip, it'd be really helpful to have like a little flathead screwdriver. So we're just going to want to pull these 2 out. So once you get this green clip out, you'll hear 2 little snaps. You want to make sure you get both of them off so that it comes off cleanly, and it'll stick out a little bit like this. After that, what we're going to want to do is take off this little sensor. What we're going to want to do is push back on this back flat piece and pull it out just like that. Now, there's 1 more bolt right here that we're going to have to get, and then we just got to pop it off. All right, and then on this side, you can see there's going to be a little black clip right there, as well as it is handy to have another screwdriver. If not, it's not the end of the world. It's going to take a little bit longer possibly, but this little black clip should just pop right out. And then we're going to be able to pull off the hose. And now what we're going to want to do is this hose that has the green clip on it, we're going to want to just kind of pull that one off. This may take a little bit of force. And then after that last clip is out, we should be able to just pull this thing right up. We got the old one out. Let's go ahead and put the new one on. All right, and so for this, we're basically doing the same thing, just in reverse. We're going to want to make sure on this side that all of our clips are pulled out. Then we're just going to want to put that bad boy on there. Make sure it snaps all the way down. Then we can snap both sides in, give it a little wiggle, make sure it doesn't come back out. Same thing, want to connect this side, make sure it's all the way in there. You don't want any leaks. Push that green clip in. Now, we can go ahead and connect our sensor again. Then we just got to put that bolt back in. Just line it up like that. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. We'll have a couple other links down in the description where you can contact us. Other than that, feel free to like and subscribe. See ya.